Kinumpirma ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. na siya ay makikipag-ugnayan kay US President Donald Trump para pag-usapan ang kalakalan, defense and security at mga bagong patakaran sa immigration. Gagawa umano ng paraan ng punong ehekutibo para solusyonan ang problema na lubhang nakakaapekto sa mga Pilipinong naninirahan sa Amerika.
I will meet with President Trump because there is much that we need to discuss between the U.S. and the Philippines in terms of the trade, in terms of defense and security, and now the new policy on immigration. Nagpauwi na yata ng 100 na Pilipino. So this is something that we have to work through and hopefully resolve, because the Filipinos in the United States especially have really formed a very important part already of their workforce. So we'll see how we can influence the policy making in terms of immigration.